start using the Google search function for jobs, go to google.com. Google has integrated an online job search function into their regular search engine that can help you find more jobs online. We'll start with a very generic example and a location with jobs near Westerville. Now, especially for those of you who don't have a specific job in mind, a search with those words will bring up a regular Google search result. But look for the blue box labeled Jobs. Click on it and it will bring you to a specific Google Jobs search engine. The results here are not filtered by type, wage, date of posting, location, or anything else. You can filter using a variety of options. Under Category, you can narrow the results by the type of business. And here we'll choose Customer Service. But you can do it by accounting, marketing, human resources, or even ways that you didn't consider before you saw the categorizations available. So here are the results narrowed down by customer service. These will show you items that both have customer service in the title, description, or tag. Clicking on a specific job will show you the links that you can use to apply, as well as more information about the jobs and employers. Clicking on the title limiter will allow you to narrow your search by job position title, but it'll also introduce you to positions that you might not have known existed. Location will help you find jobs based on how far you want to travel for work. This may be especially important for those with limited transportation or for those who want to only work from home. The Date Posted feature can save you a lot of time and effort by only showing jobs that have been posted within a certain date range. This will help you find the most recent jobs and help you filter out those that have already been filled. Do you need a part-time, a full-time, or even a contract job? Use Type to narrow your results even further. Company type can help those who are interested in working in a particular field. Narrow the results to things such as finance, retail, and other distinct kinds of jobs. Employer allows you to see the names of the companies that you are posting. If you see a job that you're interested in, but maybe you don't have the time to apply at that moment, you can save the job by clicking the bookmark feature. You do have to be signed into a Google account to save a job, but if you don't have a Gmail account and you don't want to make one, you can also click Share, or those three dots beside the word Save, to email a link to the job to your existing email address. The first search was generic and based on jobs near Westerville. Now let's look at a specific kind of job, receptionist, near Westerville, or wherever you want to work. I'm putting reception with an asterisk so that it will find all variations of the word, like reception, receptionist, reception desk. Now we look at the results, and I see here that it says administrative assistant. I actually like this word better, so I am going to change the search from receptionist to administrative assistant. And this will give me different results. Again, looking at the results, I'm going to narrow the search and use the filters for location, and I want a full-time job. Looking at the results, I want to stop seeing medical offices, so I'll put minus medical in the search box to get rid of those. And I do want newer results, so I'll limit it to a week. I'm going to try another example. And this time we'll look for data entry jobs. If you start a new search, by the way, you will have to reapply the filters each time. Looking at the results, so scrolling through the results, there are a lot of work from home, and surprisingly, I don't want to work from home, so I'll put minus, and then the phrases work from home or work at home in quotation marks, and it should get rid of all of those results. And now you can see the results for full-time data entry that are not work from home. You can create email alerts for the kind of jobs you want by clicking the alerts are on for the search on or off, or by saving a particular job. Then you can go to your saved jobs and see them listed there. And then you can click alerts and choose how frequently you would like to receive a list of the kind of jobs that fit those search terms. You will receive those alerts in your email. So as a reminder when typing in the terms you will use, first, start simple in order to show more results, such as typing in jobs near me or marketing jobs near me. Think about the way that jobs are described. What are the titles of the positions that you're looking for? And learn from the results, like receptionist or administrative assistant, and use the words that they use in the advertisements themselves. So write them down and use them in future searches. Boolean logic is the combination of words and other tools that help narrow down search results. So for an example, putting and will make sure that both of the terms show up, such as restaurant and manager, if you want to be a restaurant manager. Putting or between two words means that both terms don't need to be in the results, but one of them does, such as marketing or advertising. Quotations make sure to look for an exact phrase. So say you want to do something with social media, then that'll make sure that it'll only bring up social media posts or jobs. And then parentheses, make sure that the search terms are always found together, such as administrative assistant or reference librarian. So make sure to try the Google Jobs search function. Play with the filters and learn from the results. The more you play with it, the faster you will get usable results.